Smart Camera FHV7 How-to video. How to replace the dirty light cover or the optical filter. Unscrew with the included hexagonal wrench and remove the light cover. Remove the light shielding sheet and large waterproof packing. Attach the new waterproof packing. Always replace the waterproof packing when a module is removed. Place it along the groove and make sure there are no twists. Attach the new light shielding sheet. Always replace the light shielding sheet when a module is removed. Attach the light cover. Screw with the included hexagonal wrench in order from 1 to 4. Mounting is now complete.